If your Samsung Galaxy S25 keeps turning off, let me show you a few tips how you can try to fix this. So the first one, there need network settings. So sometimes connection problems can make the phone to turn off. And the solution for this is actually really simple. You have to just reset all network settings by going into General Management. And right here, you will have to search for Reset. And now just go into reset all mobile network settings. You can also try to do this with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. It's not, like factory data reset, it's just quick reset of the mobile and Wi-Fi network. Next, you can also check for damage. So if the phone fell or get wet, it may turn off. So just, take all around your phone if there's nothing broken. And the next one, you can simply turn off apps in the background. So too many apps can make the phone turn off because it actually takes a lot of your memory. So you can simply go into device care, then go into memory and check out right here. If your RAM memory is almost full, you can just simply clean now. And some apps will still keep opening, so you can just go into app drawer and uninstall apps, especially if you have a lot of apps on your phone. The next one, you can try to install the latest updates. So sometimes old software can cause problems, and to update software is actually quite simple because all you have to do is just to open settings. Now you have to go into software update, and you have to simply download and install the latest software. And also you can simply check the battery. So sometimes when battery is broken, the phone might turn off, and you can do this by going into device care in the settings, and you have to go for diagnostics, just right here. In my case, this application stops working for some reason, but as a default, okay, right now it works, never mind. So we can go for phone diagnostics, there we go. And now the phone will start checking everything, including the battery. If something will be issue, then you will get some pop-up information. And now, of course, I'm gonna close it because it will take a lot of time to check this. But if none of those tips works, you can try to perform the factory reset of your phone by going into General Management, then reset. And this can actually help if the problem is with the software, and you actually cannot update software, so you can go back to the previous one, try this one, go to factory data reset. And this is like all tips that I can give you about this issue.